guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, your sister, your friend, the People Choice Show TV. Let me quickly appreciate my subscribers, my family, my supporters. I say may God bless you as you always support your girl. Thank you for always tuning into my channel. God bless you all. I love you all. Please, if today is your first time coming into my channel, please don't hesitate to check on my previous video where in this my channel we do talk a lot of things. We discuss about life, we talk about the whole things. If you go through my video, you will see some of the stories, some of the our videos we have in this my channel. Guys, just have patience and you will get one video that will put a smile in your face. Today, this morning, I just get up from my bed. I have my Facebook. These days, I hardly to log into my Facebook. But today, I just get up. I said, let me just see what is going on there. So I was trying to ready my keys to. Normally, at times, just go in and just have a look. Then I will log out. But just open my Facebook. I saw one video that just come to my. You know when you open your Facebook now, this video that just appeared. So I said, let me click on that video. Then I was hearing some voice. Someone was crying on the phone. That's how a friend betrayed her. I was like, oh my God, this thing's still happening. I have to go. When I was ready my keys to school, I was still listening to the video. So when I listened to this girl's story, she was really in pain, guys. She cannot even talk on phone. So the lady in question she was talking to, she was trying to calm her down. The story she brought, that she was dating a man. She have a boyfriend she met on Facebook. That this man have not met her before, but the man was just helping her. He was just helping and sending money for her and to rent apartment for her. She said that the man knew that she have 2 children before, and the man also have children, and he said that her wife, committed adultery, and he don't have anything to do with the wife again. So the both of them, they said they get connect. She said, but the man was so nice. And this chatting they have been on for, the man have never asked her one day. All these things on social media, you say, show me your nakedness, show me this. But the man have not done anything like that before. They have never even asked her. They are just going. And the man was waiting for him to come back to Nigeria because the lady is staying in Nigeria. To come back in Nigeria, was planning a future together, knowing fully that the man have a children and she also have kids. She was like, oh my God. And she said she have a friend. She always share it to her friend. That, look, I just met a man on Facebook. Look at the way this man is being taking care of me. Everything has been doing for me. So the friend was like, are you sure this man is for real? I said, no, the man is for real. She said that even to the extent, she was even using her girlfriend account. He will send it to the man will put money. But guess what happened? That her girlfriend betrayed her and collected the man from her. She didn't know. She said whether the girl was being reconciled because the man called her from that side that he don't want to hear anything from her again, that she's been cheated, she's doing this. She said she did not cheat on that man. She was having a mad friend before he knew the man. Based on the way the man was taking care of her, she said, why will I be, having a boyfriend, he cannot take care of me, and the one I did not see is taking care of me. She decided to keep herself for this man. Then she have problem that this her best friend that she was telling everything and went ahead to collect her boyfriend from her. She's crying. She's weeping. She said that she cannot stay. I said, God, someone can fall in love like this, knowing without even meeting this man face to face. Say because it was the way the man take her was so kind. Listen, if I told you, my people, these are the story I hear this morning. But where is my message from this story? The problem we have, we don't keep our secrets to ourselves. That is where my message comes from this video I listened to. This thing of a thing that we keep friends everywhere, sharing our secrets. It doesn't work. We should learn how to keep your secrets to yourself. Because those people you call your friend that you share your secret to, they will turn out to bite you. When they bite your anus, oh my God, the kind of pains you will feel, you will you don't know whether you are dying or you have feelings, you will just be feeling pain like this lady is weeping. How can a friend do that to a friend? Knowing fully that this man was her leg, was her hand, and was everything. Because she brought her story to you. Like, friend, I don't know this kind of a thing is happening. No, I met a man on Facebook. Look at the way this man is being taking care of me. The girl went to go and collect the man from her. So this thing, we should learn how to keep your secrets to yourself. Don't share your secrets anyhow to anybody. There is no friend you can share the secret to. When they say there is no friend, there is a friend. But the problem is that don't share your secrets to your friend. That is where the problem is. When you share your secrets to your friend, and that's your friend, that is making you to be happy, that is making your heart make boop, boop, boop. Is what she's been praying for. And she don't have it. You have it. You are sharing it with her. That's why you need to know who to share your secret. I have given this message before. Because there is no that friend that you will share your secrets. That is why you see them turn out to become a snake that will bite you. You will not know. Especially when they have enough of you. That time you'll be seeing them biting you. Every little thing they will be angry. Things that you guys used to joke before, you cannot joke with it any longer. Why? Because they have you in their palm. They have gathering enough from you. So whenever you try to make joke or you try to do something, you say we just pick offense. Now you will not be, wrong. You'll be following her because you don't want her to get angry, because why? She have you. There is no friend that you can share your secrets to. That is why we come out to be feeling so hot. Learn how to keep your secrets. If you have a friend that is talking too much, advise her. Don't bite her. Just advise her. Tell her to keep her secrets. At times we do not know too much. Instead of turning her to be a snake to her. If you have a husband that is talking too much, don't share your secret with him. He will spread it. It's not his fault. He's being people that talk, what I know, those people, they are just being pure. Because their hearts, the way they think, not the way other people think. Because they don't know. They will just be sharing that happiness. I used to be like that before. But now I'm trying to control it. You share your happiness to the wrong person, at the end of the day, it turns out to bite your anus. Yes. If you have your sister, you can share. At times, it's not only friends, so even sisters do also bite. We all know ourselves. I know my sister talk too much. I can't go and share my secrets to my sister. Or my brother talk too much. I cannot share. Or you have a husband, he talk too much, don't share. Or you have a wife that talk too much, you don't share. Because you see, at times you'll be doing some things, like you have projects now. You are building a house in Nigeria. You want to share it with your sister. Hearts of happiness, she will share it to people. Guess what? You will find yourself in a house you are building, you will not finish it again. Temptation upon temptation will be falling upon. You see, because she didn't keep the secret for you, that is why. We do find these things in family, we find it in a friend. At times, some people, you just be noticing. Do you know where you'll be noticed this thing? Let me tell you one of the secrets. When you have a friend, you are talking with the person. At a time, you see the way the person is being responsive to you. Just know that the talk is getting too much. Try to limit it. At the beginning, she will find it like, okay, she'll be listening. But when you see that thing, maybe out of your happiness, so you are sharing good news, whatever you are sharing with her, you see the way she later turning to respond to you. Don't overlook those things. When you are being talking with someone on phone or maybe face to face, and you see the way the person is being responded to you, try to pinch yourself. Don't go further. At times you just be talking with somebody on phone, you just see that phone will just like mistakenly cut off like this. And maybe you have talked with that person for 1 hour. Don't carry that call, go back again. That person has been tired of you, of that person to tell you to drop. We just hang the phone. Later we say, it's network, it's network. My dear people, this is the place we have problem. Because our secrets, we don't keep it to ourselves. You see this lady, assuming she was able to keep her happiness to herself, this her friend would have went ahead to bite her. What this lady did was so bad. I don't know they are still seeing this kind of a people. You know? So many of them are just there, that thing that make you happy. There are some people that are just seeing your faces, they want to be like you. But when they are in the midst of people, they'll be talking bad of you. When you see someone is talking too much bad of that person, know that that person has been jealous of that person. Otherwise, you won't carry person matter, put for head like that. You see the way some people will just see this person, I don't like her, not just like her. Because that thing that make you to be happy is what make her to be happy. Because she cannot get it, she will just hate you. Don't go and share your secret to the person that will go and bite you later. Some people now, even those friends, these friends will make these days. You'll be talking with them, they will be recording you, waiting for that day it will set. They will blow it on her. So be careful who you share your secret to. Do not share your secret to anyone just pass by you because your feelings, your mind tells you that this person is a nice person, because he said this person is a good person, and you went ahead to go and share your secret to. Don't share your secret to anybody. Keep it to yourself. At times, there's a way I learn these days now. I won't say it to you. That is why I keep my own secrets. When you share too much of yourself, you will end up crying later. Because those people you are just sharing to that are making you to be happy is what they have been praying for. And you take it to them and be happy. See, oh, my friend, oh, God has done it for me, oh, or this person is just being here for me, oh. You think that person will be happy? Even some married women, they are not happy in their marriage. There are some friends, the kind of life you live, they can't have it. But they will say, I don't want to live this kind of life, or I ain't this kind of life. Forget. If you have a chance, he will grab it. So my message here, guys, learn how to keep your secrets. Because friends we see these days are no more friends. Hard time will remove that thing from our heads. No, thinking that you are going to share something with somebody that will keep it for you. That person is going to look a way to collect it if it is possible. So don't share your secrets. No matter how that person is with you. Don't please that person with your secrets. Learn how to keep it. Look at this lady was weeping. She was weeping. I felt so bad in this area. Where did I blame that lady? That she went ahead to share her secrets with her friend. She should learn how to keep it to herself. I believe she have learned her lesson. I just pray that God should give her a man that will respect her, that will love her, that will not listen to outsider. Who knows what that lady, the kind of information that brought to that man that make that man that say, you don't want to see her again. You don't want to see her again. Oh my goodness. This thing is so bad, guys. We should learn how to keep our secret to ourselves. Do not share too much. That is where I'm ending my message today. I just pray someone will learn. If you are still doing it, sharing your secrets, keep it to yourself. Okay? Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. I hope this video encouraging someone. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my video, like, comment. Okay, guys, tell me what you feel about my video. If this kind of a thing have happened to you, I want to see it down of my comment section below. Tell me what you feel or the kind of advice you have for most people that always share their secrets to their friends. At the end of the day, they end up crying and weeping. Thank you so much, guys. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye. Love you.